I told you that your blush placement can instantly lift you up or instantly bring your face down? Today I'll show you the right way to place your blush on mature skin. It will instantly lift us, it will be more natural, and it will make us look youthful. Okay. Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. We talk about tips and tricks for mature skin. Mainly this is the focus of this channel, to focus on mature skin, that I have mature skin for over 40 women, men, whoever wants to join in is welcome. No gender discrimination here. Blush is my favorite product because it brings life to our skin, to our face. It brings light and life, and when it's done correctly, it can bring our appearance to the next level. So let's just jump in and get started. No need for such a long intro. Mistake number one is placing the blush too low. When you apply the blush too low, it drags everything down. When it drags everything down, it does not make us look youthful. No, unfortunately, I'm going to show it to you right now. I'm using this one from ColourPop. This is in their cream blush in Coyote. This is relatively dark, and I really wanted to take something that will pop, and you can definitely see the differences in both sides. I have everything on: my skincare, foundation, bronzer, lips, no blush, no highlighter, but everything else is done. So let's focus on the blush because this is why we are here. Okay, the wrong side is going to be here, the right side is going to be here. Again, wrong and right is according to me and what I think is good for mature skin. That's what works for me. So let's just get started. So bad, good, right? Yeah. So let's start with the bad. I'm just taking with my finger, just like that. Okay, so placing the blush too low. If we're placing it too low here, it will make us look tired and saggy. And again, I deliberately took a very pigmented shade. This is way too low. Okay, I'm taking the reminder that I still have on my finger to the good side. So let's just fix this and see what we need to do. So instead, we need to place the blush slightly higher on the cheekbone. So where is the cheekbone? This is the cheekbone. So let's place it on the cheekbone higher, lifted, and drag it upwards, upwards, upwards. I am blending with my finger, but of course you can use a brush. If you're using a brush, I have my brush here clean and ready, and just do the same upwards. When you're doing it upwards, you are pulling the look from here to here. Can you see the instant lift? Let's add a bit more so it will be more visible, and I will do it with my brush just for you to see this. This is really creating an illusion for natural lift, like we had a mini facelift in 10 seconds or less. I am holding the brush here, if you can see here, so it will be more pinched. No need to buy a new brush, just using it correctly, upwards. And just this one, just this mistake, instantly improved everything. I look lifted, I look younger, I look more alive. I think that looks incredibly different. Mistake number 2 is applying it too close to the nose. Can you see here how close this is to my nose? Very, very close. Let's just even make it worse. Can you see how close this is to my nose? I'm just looking in my mirror here. Super close. And here there are 2 fingers between my blush and my nose. Blush starts here. 2 fingers from the nose. It's easy to remember. 2 fingers from the nose. You have a space here. Can you see a blank space? So it just keeps the center of our face bright and open, and the color stays in the areas that naturally lift our features. Just like that. I'm squinting, yeah, I know. That comes with age. Okay, so 2 fingers is the key. Can you see the differences? It's obvious. This one takes us down, this one takes us up and natural. Up and natural and bright gives us brightness to the face. This one's just, it's too much blush, I know, on purpose, but the location of it is what's making it look draggy and tired and saggy. Mistake number 3 is using heavy shimmer. For example, this blush from, let me just clean it, Iconic London. I love this one very much, but it has a lot of shimmer in it. This is the blush. This is called, by the way, Dual Silk Glow in the shade Rose Glow. Can you see this one here? Let's just swatch it. Now, shimmery blush might look youthful in the pan. It looks youthful in the pan and youthful on my finger, but for mature skin it can emphasize texture. I have a lot of texture here, and maybe we'll do it with the brush. Yeah, let's do it with the brush. It will be more impactful. Why this is so hard to open? I have no idea. So I'm taking from the blush side. Oh, I know I took with my finger, not to apply with my finger, but to show you a swatch. Yeah. It just emphasizes texture, fine lines and wrinkles and imperfections. Wait, and imperfections that we have on my face. Can you see the glow? I hope that you can, because this is very, very, very shimmery. I took some with my blush brush and I want you to see what it does. I am putting it up because here I have a lot of imperfections, and now we can see them because they're glowing, like they're glowing in the dark. Can you see that? So what to do? Go for cream or satin blushes, not something heavy on the shimmer. You saw this before, I just used it. I have 3 more shades. I can just show you how they look like. I have Bali Baby. I don't know if Colourpop still sells these specific ones, but I know that they sell similar ones. I have so many, so I stopped buying. Cherry Blossom, and I also have Whole Mood, which are just different shades of bright pink. Okay, so it doesn't really matter for this specific video the shade. I'm talking about technique. So cream blushes are your friend. Nothing with too much glitter. Just place it like I showed it to you here. Cream blushes, just like this one, just gives us a soft and natural glow without emphasizing texture, and they just slide And of course you can definitely blend them like I just show you. Let's add a tiny bit more, just like that. Now if you do want some shimmer, because we usually want to use some kind of highlighter, then keep it subtle, not too much, something very very easy and light. Let's just take the same iconic it has on the other side highlighter. So I'm taking with my brush from the highlighter and very very light hand, tiny bit. Can you see here? Just tiny bit. We don't need more. Less is more. Okay, in this area, in this stage of life, less is more. So if you do want a highlighter, you want some shimmer, do it gently and do it strategically. Just place it here around the eye. It will give you the same effect, but more subtle, more natural, and this is what we're going for: natural, lifting placement of blush. Now, mistake number 4 is not blending enough. This is what happens when you don't blend enough. I didn't blend. I did not blend at all. So if you don't blend enough, it will look patchy. It will look unnatural. Does that look natural to you? No, it doesn't. It looks like I just took a blush, or maybe my kid did my makeup. My daughter did my makeup. This is how it looks like. Because I took the blush, I applied it to my face, and then I went out of the house. I didn't even look in the mirror. I didn't blend. I didn't do anything. It's too much. So use a fluffy brush. What did I do with my brush? Fluffy. This is a fluffy brush. If you have a bigger one, even better. I have this one, which is bigger and fluffy, but this is more dense. This is even better. This is very very soft and fluffy. This is the way to go if you don't want to use your fingers. So fluffy brush, just blend. Okay, let's do it on this side. Let's blend. I'm just telling you, nothing can save this side. Nothing. The only thing that will work is either removing it or removing it and applying the foundation again. It looks patchy, it looks awful, it looks, again, like my kid did my makeup. So I am trying to diffuse the edges and making it look a bit more blended. Still looks too much. Still looks like I don't know what I'm doing. It looks saggy, I look tired, it doesn't fit. This way I am blending, but first of all we talked about blending upwards, and now it looks like a natural flash of color, like I saw something that made me blush. I'm blushing. This is how I look like. Okay. And the last mistake that I can talk about in this video is ignoring your shape, the shape of your face. Just ignoring it is, in my opinion, a huge mistake. Now, applying blush the same way on every face shape is wrong, because every face shape have a different shape. We have round faces, long faces, oval faces. Everyone has a different face shape, and if you sculpt your face according to your shape, it will look more natural. Now I have a round face, oval face, and long face. I have all three, right? But which one is more accurate? Look at me. Oval, okay? This is more oval than round and more oval than long. So let's talk about the placement for each of these face shapes. For round face, apply the blush a bit higher to elevate. A bit higher, more here, even 3 fingers. Okay, we talked about the 2 fingers, even 3 fingers higher will elevate your face. Longer faces, focus more horizontal, like this here. 2 fingers still, but here, from here, more horizontal. Don't go all the way up, so go like this. Okay, this is if you have a long face. Just horizontal, and it will add balance to our appearance. To oval faces, just like mine, let's stick to upwards. Let's sweep it upwards, just like I did, from here, 2 fingers and upwards, all the way here. So it's a combination of both. Okay, so let's recap. Round face, okay, we do like 3 fingers and start and bring it up. Long face, we're going more horizontal. We're still using the 2 fingers rule, but take it more horizontal all the way here. And oval is a combination of them both, and I am still using the 2 finger rules and going really elevating the look. Okay, I hope that's clear. Let's just recap in a minute what we talked about so far. Get youthful, elevated cheeks. Don't do like this. So place the blush higher, like this. Avoid the nose area, the 2 fingers rule. Remember? 2 fingers or 3, depending on your face shape. Remember, well, work with your face, not against it. Okay? Don't apply too much shimmer, because it will emphasize all of those disgusting little things. And blend it well, not like this, but like this. Blend, blend, blend. We're the Blend Bunny. Okay. Oh, there is a brand called Blend Bunny. Yeah, for eyeshadows. So let's blend and blend and blend our blushes. That's it. Can you see the difference? I think we can see the difference from the moon, right? Okay, so this is it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Send this video to your friend that maybe also need help with placement of the blush, and she can also avoid these mistakes. Even one change can make a huge difference. So subscribe, like this channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and if you do subscribe, then please hit the notification bell and comment below. Write something, talk to me, let me know what you think. Is there another topic you want me to talk about? Do you have another tip about blush that you can share with all of us here? And with that said, I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.